Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Asaf here, and I would like to show you in 2 to 3 minutes a quick demo of our new async download. But before we jump into that, let's see what we're testing this with. So I have a project with almost 1.5 million words, 150,000-ish keys, and we're going to try to download this data using our API, using the existing file download endpoint. In this case, I'm only asking for 2 languages, although the project has 4. But this takes some time. Understandably, this is a large amount of data. But as we wait, and some will drink the last sip of their coffee, excuse me, others might go to Stack Overflow or speak to some AI about the burning issue. But as we're getting close to 30 seconds and more, this becomes an issue, especially for automated integrations due to reasonable timeouts that exist. And this is generally very unhealthy to keep an API collection alive for so long. In this case, it completed, took just under 33 seconds, and I received a download link. This is my webhook notifications, and I also received the notifications about that. Now, I'm going to do the exact same thing, but using the async endpoint. Same payload, 2 languages. This time, the request was 338 milliseconds, but the response includes a process ID. If you're familiar with the localized API, we have a few endpoints that use background jobs, which is why we have also an endpoint for querying the status of a specific process. So I will use this ID to paste it in, and I can see that it's running. Now, when you'll do the migration to the async, you can basically choose to path if you would like to query this endpoint every X amount of seconds until you see that it's complete. Or alternatively, you can also register your project for webhooks, in which case, as you see, I just received already here the webhook response that includes the download URL. So this is for a more robust event-driven integration system, but this can still work. If I ask for this again, now that it's complete, you can see that I have the download bundle. And in case you need the link, you can always see it also in the activity log, where we can see now a finished process and a download link to get it from here. These links are now pre-signed AWS links, and they have a TTL of 6 hours. In case you need the download link again later than that, you can always use this endpoint and this process, and you will receive a valid download URL or user UI and get it from the activity log. Thank you very much. I hope the migration goes easy, and please do feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need any assistance. Thanks. Bye-bye.